We just narrowly avoided disaster. We got stuck. The road is very icy, and obviously two-wheel drive don't work good. Luckily, a fellow Floridian helped us out. But to the top we go. Today, we're gonna be doing the MST Soco Gap to Waterrock Knob. Clearly until it's snowy. We gotta hike up about 1,929 feet, 2,000 if you include the little rock we're gonna climb on. So there should be about twice as much snow up on the summit, but we will find out.
Has to go over the shoes.
Yeah.
Got a lot longer than I was thinking.
Through the snowy laurel bushes. All right, so we're making great time. My shoes, the grip is not as good as I thought. My tracks are like filling with snow, and so it's like slush. I keep having to kind of knock my feet to get the snow to clear out my traction, but other than that, we're making great time. Perfect. I wonder what it's gonna be like at the summit. My guess is snow's gonna be like right there. That's my best guess. We'll find out here shortly. It's crazy because I'm sure I'll have some footage in there, but where we came from, there was literally like practically no snow. Like there was a little bit of slush on the road, but look at this. Literally a winter wonderland. So we've climbed up about 450 feet. So that means we have around 1,400 to go, or 1,300 I think. Yeah, 1,300. And the temperature drops about 3 to 6 degrees per 1,000 feet, and the mountaintops here also pick up a lot more precipitation. Oh, I lost Tyler. Right on top of you.
Be careful.
I almost slipped off the bridge. We just stopped and I took a little bit of a break. Took off the snow pants. I was way too warm. I thought that I'd be kind of like neutral, wouldn't be hot or cold, but man, the second we started up, even like slight elevation, it was too much. But Tyler's up here charging along. This part of the trail is sick. This is sick looking, dude. Look how beautiful that is. This is crazy. Wow. Now you don't want to climb up something like that out west with full exposure. With what if you had a harness and rope? What if you were attached harness and rope?
No.
So I think we'll have a view when we get to the top.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's not quite mountaineering, but man. Oh, here's a bench, Tyler. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, dude. Is that ice? We're on the final little push of the hike before we're at the top. It's perfect because the clouds cleared, so we're gonna have a super good view from the summit of the mountain. It's gonna be a blast. This trail is so fun. We have about a little over a mile left, 1.18 miles until we're at the top. Look how beautiful the weather has gotten. It was so foggy. I mean, maybe we're up above the clouds or like the main cloud layer. Maybe once we hike back down, we'll hike back into the fog and stuff, but I think the clouds are just clearing. Look at this. So you have an old oak tree here, and then growing out of it somehow you have a red spruce. That's crazy. Beautiful trees. It's crazy how in nature, like in like a rainforest environment like this, just something will grow literally anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's on over top rock, on trees, you know, it doesn't matter. It finds a way. In the North Carolina rainforest. Yeah. Oh, it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing again a little bit. A little bit of snow flurries.
Oh, I had done it.
Wow, dude.
Oh, that's pretty. You see the Blue Ridge Parkway is just covered in ice.
Yeah. That little rock outcropping there.
Where are we at?
I'm about to check. The fucking bench. Pathfinder and Trail Builder. Thank you. Thank you for building this wonderful trail that we are enjoying. So we're on our final little push. We're about to summit this mountain, and then, or this point at least, and then we're just gonna chill out for a bit. Whoa. Let's go, Bernie. Oh. Oh, we made it. Woo. We made it, dude. time to rest a little bit. My hair's frozen, like super frozen. But we made it. We just ate lunch. It's getting cold. The clouds have come back. Every once in a while it'll start snowing again, but show you the peak over here. And then we'll start our descent. Look at that, or the view. That's what we've done so far. All right, resume. This is by far one of the best hikes I've ever been on, but now it's starting to get so cold, I feel like I'm gonna get frostbite. So we're turning back around and making our way down. Fall, fall, fall. I'm just kidding, I don't wish that on you. You pop an ankle up here, I'll just have to leave you. Oh, look at him butt scooting. Dude's a little girl, dude. I totally didn't just eat shit in that exact same spot. But you know what? I ate it like a man. While I was up there eating some beef jerky and enjoying the summit, my hair froze. Whoa. Yeah.
It's brutal out here, man. Yep.
Oh God, Tyler.
What?
Look, somebody fell off that.
One of them.
How is that even rooted there? So mushy. This mush is probably slipperier than just walking on the snow. It's crazy that this morning this was like so snowy. I think we came at like the perfect time for a hike, dude. All right, guys, so we're on the way out. I'll let Tyler do the honors of showing you what I just did. Look at this, dude.
Bro fell so hard.
I was walking, it's funny. I slipped a lot this trip because my shoes are dunzo. Like, they just don't have the tread they should. Not anymore. Literally almost bald. And all the times I fell on the ice, fine. Of course, my most brutal fall would be mud. Straight up mud. What can you do? Alright guys, so we made it back to the parking lot. That was by far one of the best hikes I've been on. Probably one of the more challenging hikes I've been on. I did not have the proper shoe wear. Like my shoes are just so like so dull. I think next time I go on a hike like this though, with this much ice and snow, like even if it's like overboard, I think I might get micro spikes. When we get to the car, I'll show y'all like the final all trails stats, see how we did. Oh, so fun. Totally different from this morning. We got stuck right there where we tried to drive up that way, got stuck. We backed up there, got horribly stuck, and we had to come up this way, straight ice. But luckily another fellow Floridian helped us out. Super sick of him to do that. So those are the stats. Whew, what a good hike. Whew, thank you guys for watching. This was definitely one of the best hikes I've ever done. Hiking in the snow like that was something I've never really experienced. I've hiked on snow and ice, but not for that long. I've only done like, got out the car, went up to, you know, a rock, and then came back down, you know, at the most, you know, 500 feet. But so fun. Now I think we're gonna go get Pizza Hut Classic, the good stuff. All right, thank you guys.